You've seen Veo 3, now get ready for Veo 3.1. You already know we support Veo 3, delivering you cinematic visuals and native audio generation. But Veo 3.1 takes it further, with deeper realism, richer soundscapes, and more control over how your story unfolds. So, what's new? Veo 3.1 supports features like Ingredients to Video, where you can generate video and audio from reference images.
Hello, is anybody here?
Scene extension, where you can extend your clip's lengths seamlessly, and more dynamic camera and lighting control. These aren't small tweaks. They change how you compose, refine, and iterate visual storytelling.
Where were you on the night of the bubble bath?
Head to the playground now to fire off some prompts and refine your outputs in Mom. We want the integration to feel seamless, powerful, and creative. Because Veo 3.1 is built on what you already love in Veo 3, your familiarity gives you a head start. But the upgrade adds new expressive range for landscapes, characters, lighting moods, transitions, and immersive storytelling. Imagine animating a sketch that bursts into a 3D creature, or extending a 10-second scene into 30 seconds of fluid motion with matched sound and atmosphere. Veo 3.1 is built for those wow moments. What are you waiting for? Head to the Promptus playground now, where you can explore Veo 3.1's new power, remix your vision, and push boundaries you couldn't before. Subscribe and stay tuned for future model upgrades here on Promptus.